What's up everybody, my name is Gabriel Showole, but you can call me Kayshow. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rank #1 on Google free and fast. This is the same strategy that we've used to rank our company's website #1 on Google for some time now. And guess what? I'm going to be showing you that in this video. So let's get into it. But before then, intro. Welcome back guys. Let me guess, you're watching this video right now because you want to know what SEO is all about, or you just got a job to rank a website #1 on Google. Hey Tony, make sure my website ranks #1 on Google by tomorrow, or I turn you into a chicken. Capiche? Yes sir, yes sir. Ranking on Google is not as hard as you think. All you need to do is to follow these simple steps that I'm going to be sharing with you today. #1, you have to pick a niche for your website. Even if you're a jack of all trades, you cannot put all of your businesses on one website. You have to pick each business and put them on separate websites. Okay? So one business, one website. Easy peasy. If you don't do that, remember Google has something called web crawlers. And when they come to your website, they get all confused because you've put everything in the same website. So you have to have a niche. It is very, very important. Imagine you walk into a barber shop and you're trying to get a haircut, and then you notice the barber also sells tomatoes, medical drugs, wedding gowns, rice, beans. In that situation, what do?
Run.
So pick a niche and stick with it. #2, you want to make sure that you have a keyword for your website. To simply put, keyword is the phrase people type on Google to discover your business. So for customers to find you on Google and other search engines, you must have a particular keyword for your website. And how do you do that? It's very simple. Think of what people are likely to type on Google or other search engines when they are looking for your business. Whatever your answer is, that is your keyword. For example, if you're into real estate, your company's keyword could be something like real estate companies in Lagos, or real estate companies in London, or maybe houses for sale in New York. That is a very good keyword and you can adapt it for your business. You could also have multiple keywords for your business by adapting 2 or more of these keywords. #3, optimize your title tag and your meta description. So what are title tags and what are meta descriptions? These are the things that appear when people do a search on Google about your business. So you want to make sure that these 2 key elements has your keywords. It's very, very important. Now imagine if you're doing a search on Google, for example, real estate companies in Lagos, and then Google gives you the result, and you notice that there is nothing like real estate companies in Lagos highlighted in any of these results. I'm very sure you are not likely to click on those results. So that tells you how important it is to include your keyword in the title tag and in the meta description. #4 is content. Now your content is very, very, very important. In digital marketing, we say content is king. Yes, content is very, very important. So this gives you the opportunity to mention your keyword a couple of times on your website. Real estate companies in Lagos. Real estate companies in Lagos. Real estate companies in Lagos. No man, that's not what I mean. Make sure your website contains rich and valuable content. And while you're putting this together, make sure you strategically position your keywords in this content. Also make sure your content are interesting and engaging. Alright, so let's move to the next one. #5 is Google Search Console. Can you imagine Google giving you a tool that can allow you rank #1 on its platform? Yes, that is what Google Search Console is all about. So make sure you take advantage of this and put your website on this platform. You know, it's like a clinic for your website regarding search engine optimization. So it tells you some of the things that you need to do, some of the things you need to put in place, things that you need to execute on your website to help it rank higher on Google. You can also get analytics about your website. You can get more information about what's going on with your website. I mean, it's amazing what Google Search Console can do for your website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button if you know you want to see more videos like this, and click on the notification bell so you can get updates when I release new videos. Now, if you're a beginner and you like to get started with digital marketing and learn all the way from scratch, I have an online course that will do that just for you. Check out the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.